In September 1976, air traffic controllers in Tehran were flooded with calls about a blinding light in the sky. The general commanding the Imperial Iranian Air Force could see it from his own office window. He ordered a jet scrambled. When the pilot got close, every instrument on his aircraft went dead. He broke off. A second jet was sent. The same thing happened, but this time the craft sent something back. It was just past midnight on September 19, 1976. Civilians across Tehran were calling emergency lines about a massive, brilliant object hovering above the city. General Nader Yousefi, Assistant Deputy Commander of Operations, stepped outside Imperial Iranian Air Force headquarters. He could see it himself. An enormous, pulsing light unlike any aircraft he had ever seen. He ordered an F-4 Phantom scrambled immediately. The first F-4 closed to within 46 kilometers. The pilot radioed back. The object had intense, flashing lights cycling through blue, green, red, and orange. He estimated it was the size of a Boeing 707 airliner. Then, as he moved in closer, his instrument panel went completely dark. Communications lost, all systems offline. He turned back for the base. The instant he broke off, everything came back on. A second F-4 was immediately scrambled. This pilot also saw it, enormous, impossibly bright, dwarfing anything in the sky. He locked his weapons system directly onto the craft. The targeting circuit engaged, and at the exact moment he attempted to fire, his entire instrument panel went dark, communications gone, weapons completely offline. Something had disabled his ability to shoot. Then a smaller object detached from the main craft and flew directly at his jet at tremendous speed. The pilot assumed it was a missile. He rolled into a hard dive. He tried to fire. Nothing. The smaller object followed him for several seconds, then abruptly turned and flew back to the larger craft. A second small object detached and descended toward the ground, illuminating a dry lake bed below before returning. What followed was almost as remarkable as the encounter itself. A United States Defense Intelligence Agency evaluation was filed, rating the Tehran incident as, quote, an outstanding report that meets all the criteria necessary for a valid study of the UFO phenomenon. The document assessed the craft's ability to jam electronics and evade weapons. That report was later declassified. You can read it today on the National Archives website. The United States government officially documented an unidentified craft that disabled 2 armed military jets over a major world capital. The Iranian pilots have given interviews for decades. Every one of them describes the same object, the same instrument failures, the same pursuit by the smaller craft. No nation has ever claimed the craft. No technology from 1976, or arguably today, fully explains what those men encountered. The DIA report is real. The radar data is real. The Tehran Dogfight remains one of the most credible, most thoroughly documented UFO encounters in history, and almost no one knows it happened. If you want the stories they don't teach, subscribe. Emergent Truth. New drop every week.